Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cindy Agnia with identification number 165, and this video was made to complete the mid-test assessment for the language learning assessment course. And in this video, I will discuss past material. The first is Bloom taxonomy and compiling test. Then the second is the type of test, including written test, oral test, and performance test. Then the third is the rule for compiling test, including multiple choice and essay test. Then the fourth is I will explain how to score test regarding multiple choice test and essay test, and the last is the types of validity. Okay, let's get in the first material. I will explain what are the rules for making tests. I started with three domains in Bloom's taxonomy. What are they? They are is cognitive, affective, then there is psychomotor. The cognitive domain in Bloom's taxonomy deals with memory, thought process, and reasoning. And in the cognitive role in making question is to use the domain according to the list that are exist. As is a table, knowing can use sentence such quoting, mentioning, explaining, drawing, editing, and others. Okay, let's get into the first material. I will explain what are the rules for making tests. I start with three domains in Bloom taxonomy. What are they? There are is cognitive, affective, then there are is psychomotor. The cognitive domain is Bloom's taxonomy deals with memory, thought processing, and reasoning. And in the cognitive role, it making question is to use the domain according to the list that already exists. As in the table, knowing can use sentences such as quoting, mentioning, explaining, drawing, editing, and others. Then there are is affective. The affective domain is a domain that includes feeling, value, appreciation, enthusiasm, motivation, and attitude. Then there are is psychomotor. Psychomotor is as ability related to physically coordination and the use of motor skill that must be trained continuously and measured in terms of speech, actuary, distance, procedure, or technique in this implementation. What are the activities here? There is preparation, redance, imitation, habituation, practice, experience, and originally. Okay, then we will enter the second material, namely the types of tests. What are the types of tests? There are writing tests, namely tests that require answer from students in written form. There are two of them, objective tests and essay or subjective tests. Objective tests include true and false tests, matching and multiple choice tests. Then the subjective test is the essay itself. Then there is the second, the type of test, namely oral tests. Oral tests are tests that require answer from student in oral form. Students will say the answer in their own words according to the question or other given. Then the third is performance test. Performance tests or practice tests are tests that require student answer in the form of behavior or action. An example is given space with an educational them using English. Then the third material is the rules for constructing question item. Here I take two of the written test type, including multiple choice and essay. The first is multiple choice. In terms of question, material must be in accordance with the indicator. The second answer choice must be homogeneous and make sense. And the third is that each question must have one correct answer. The education must be in accordance with the indicator. For example, the indicator is that student can determine the object of the sentence. Then the question that can be given is the father is reading a magazine in the form of room. The types of object word in the sentence above is E adverb, B noun, C adjective, and D verb. The answer and then the answer is choice must be homogeneous and logical. Example of a math problem: 30 minus 10. E 20, B 10, C 5, D 5. Then the third each question must have the correct answer. In the fourth material, I will discuss the scoring of the question from the previous material. The first is scoring for multiple choice. Scoring test for multiple choice question usually involves assessing determined point value to each correct answer and then adding up the total points earned by test taker. Incorrect answer may earn points or earn negative point depending on the scoring system used. An automated scoring system or manual scoring can be used for this purpose. Then for easy test, scoring involves assessing the quality of responses based on predetermined criteria such as clarity, coherence, relevance, depth of analysis, and use of evidence. Each criterion can be assigned a point value or a rubric can be used to provide qualitative feedback. Writer can be trained to ensure consistency and multiple reports can evaluate each essay independently to minimize bias. Ultimately, the total score reflects the overall quality of the essay in answering the given question. The five material, I will explain the type of validity. There are two, namely content validity and criterion validity. I start from content validity. This relates to ability of an instrument to measure the content that must be measured. Then there is criterion validity. The validity of an instrument is to compare it with other valid and reliable instruments by correlating them. I think that's enough. That's all the explanation from me. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.